Hi friends, welcome to Gentak channel. Today I am going to show how to prepare cabbage fry. For this I have taken one cabbage. You also take like this, and first you remove the skin. One or two layer you can remove it, and you make it cut. You chop like this. Next you take one pan, add water, add cabbage, add moong dal, and make it cook. Cabbage fry. I have boiled cabbage fry with moong dal, onion, curry leaf, chili, coconut. Switch on the gas stove, heat the pan, add oil, add jeera, mustard seed, add onion, add curry leaf. Well, the onion have to cook well. Add chili, add salt. The onion have to cook well. Now we can add the boiled cabbage into the pan. I have added cabbage. I have added boiled cabbage. I have added boiled cabbage, so it won't take that much time. 5 minutes after you can add coconut. After adding coconut, within 2 minutes you can switch off the gas stove. Add coconut. Mix well. Cabbage fry is ready. Now you can switch off the gas stove. The tasty and healthy cabbage fry is ready. Thank you.